Southern Tennessee mom. A big shout out from Tennessee. I hope you're having a great day. I've got 3 small potatoes, and I'm just gonna cut it in half. Then I'm gonna take and cut it again the other way, and like in fours. It'll be like wedges. Okay. I have 1 medium potato. I've already cut one up. Alright, in this bowl, I have the potatoes already wedged up. I have my set of tongs here. I have a well-loved pan here that I've had for a long time. I have sprayed it with cooking spray. Just regular cooking spray. Now I have a 1/4 cup of olive oil here, and I'm going to pour it over my potatoes, just like that. I have a 1/2 teaspoon of salt and pepper mixed together. I'm just going to pour in there. I have a tablespoon of Italian seasoning. A tablespoon of garlic powder. And a tablespoon of minced onions. And I'm going to toss these to where they're good and covered with everything. See how I'm doing them? Look at that. Doesn't that look good already? Can't you just smell that? But you can smell this. It smells really good. Okay. So I've got it coated really well. And I'm going to pour it into my pan. Just like so. I'm going to make sure they're not overlapping on each other. And I'm going to take the rest of the mixture. There's a little bit in here, not much. And I'm just going to kind of place it down in wherever I think it might need it on whatever potato. Okay. So, I have the oven at 375. I'm going to put these potatoes in the oven. Flipping them over, as you can see, they're starting to brown nicely. I'll put these back in the oven and let them cook a little bit longer. And here you have it. Roasted oven fried potatoes.